Year 1967. The venue, Mumbai's Shivaji Park. A firebrand young orator, a cartoonist turned political street fighter, launched a fledgling political party that claimed to stand for the Marathi Manus.
32 years ago, here at Shivaji Park, which is now known for producing an assembly line of cricketers, Bal Thackeray announced the formation of Shiv Sena.
32 years later, the big political question Maharashtra is asking, who will succeed the man who has ruled the Sena with an iron fist for over 4 decades?
Now 83, Bal Thackeray is the aged godfather, struggling with his health and unable to campaign effectively. A vacuum has been created. A vacuum both his son and nephew are competing to fill.
हिटलर काय म्हणायचं काय अजून काय वाटतेल ते म्हणायचं मला काय फरक पडतो.
शिवसेना प्रमुखाने आम्हाला शिकवलेलं आहे एक तर आपण कोणावरती हात उचलायचा नाही पण समोरून कोणी हात उचलला तर मात्र तो जागेवर ठेवायचा नाही.
On the campaign trail, Raj leaves you in little doubt who his role model is. His mannerisms, his speech delivery, the stern look in the eye. Raj Thackeray is hoping that the uncanny physical resemblance will translate into the awe and goodwill that his uncle inspired among Shiv Sena supporters.
I was witness to the formation of Shiv Sena. I was a student then, and I have seen Bal Thackeray, now Balasaheb Thackeray, of course, actually having the same style. In fact, Raj Thackeray is imitating the style almost like a photocopy.
The original Sena leader built his party on an anti-outsider platform in the 60s, targeting the South Indian community, later the Gujaratis, and then the Muslims. Raj is doing the same with his anti-North Indian campaign. Both uncle and nephew endorsed violence against the other, made regional chauvinism their mantra.
Mumbai has grown, Mumbai's wealth has grown, and Mumbai's wealth has not percolated to what they call to Marathi people, but has gone to the so-called non-Marathi people. So the discrimination is perceived more intensely than it was in 66.
In a sense, the 2004 elections were a turning point. The Shiv Sena had been hoping to make a comeback in the state by capitalizing on the anti-incumbency against the ruling Congress-NCP combine. The comeback never happened and the blame game began. While Bal Thackeray's hold weakened, it became obvious that only one out of Uddhav and Raj could now lead the party into the future.
जो भी कोई मतभेद थे वो बाला साहब जी के सामने रखे.
With Uddhav being anointed the heir, a restive Raj decided to break away.
आज या क्षणाला शिवसेनेच्या नेतेपदाचा राजीनामा इथे देत आहे.
And formed the Maharashtra Navnirman Sena in 2006.